Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 67 Copper Beech Run in Fairport.
This is a spectacular, newly built designer showcase Fairport ranch. So let's take a tour. Welcome your family and friends with this awesome front porch, with a seating area, and then step into luxury with the ultimate and first floor living.
The spectacular great room features a designer kitchen with beautiful light gray cabinetry, quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a dream center island with a breakfast bar. Open to a dining area and a living area with 9-foot ceilings and a gas fireplace, all with beautiful hardwood floors and deck access.
This ideal floor plan is an amazing and very private master suite on one side of the home. With 9-foot ceilings, hardwood floors, a customized walk-in closet with cabinetry, and a spa bathroom.
For your family and guests, there is a separate bedroom wing with 2 spacious bedrooms with hardwood floors and a full bathroom. This beautiful lower level has a very expansive living area that you can use as a media, exercise, or activity room with an adjacent potential 4th bedroom with an egress window, plus a full bathroom.
This architect-designed property has been quality built with energy efficiency with low-cost Fairport electric. You could have it all with this ultimate new dream home. It's ranch-tastic.
This expansive covered deck is perfect for enjoying the premium lot, which is over half an acre and backs to green space.
Copper Beech Run is a neighborhood of fine homes in the town of Perrington with easy access to the village of Fairport, the Erie Canal, Eastview Mall, and the Finger Lakes region. Here we are in the village of Fairport, a great place to live.
It has great restaurants, shops, and is located on the historic Erie Canal. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 67 Copper Beech Run in Fairport.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!